ASUS TUF Gaming A15 15.6 inches Full HD 144Hz, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB PCIe SSD, AMD 8-core Ryzen 7 6800H, PlCe 711800H, RTX 3050Ti, gaming laptop, RGB backlit, Type-C, Wi-Fi 6, IST HDMI, Win 11 Home, 2023. Supercharged RTX graphics. Gameplay graphics are silky smooth with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3066GB GDDR6 at 140 watts with dynamic boost, with cutting-edge AI features like NVIDIA DLSS and ray tracing. Mux Switch Boost. A Mux switch lets the GPU communicate directly with the display, increasing performance and decreasing latency. Ready for anything. Use your gaming laptop to stream and multitask with ease thanks to an AMD Ryzen 7 6800H CPU with 20MB cache, up to 4.7 GHz, 8 cores and 16 GB of blisteringly fast 4800 MHz DDR5 RAM on Windows 11. Swift visuals. Stay one step ahead of the competition thanks to its 300Hz/3 ms 15.6 Full HD, 1920 by 1080, IPS type display, which covers 100% sRGB color space. Ample storage for all your games. Store all your game library, and load them fast on your 512GB PCIe M.2 SSD to take advantage of the full RTX gaming experience. Stay cool. Self-cleaning dual fans with anti-dust technology extend system longevity. Military-grade toughness. Durable MIL STD810H military standard lives in the TUF line as the devices are tested against drops, vibration, humidity and extreme temperatures to ensure reliability. Future-proof. Easily add or replace memory and storage with its pop-open screw. Bundle. Get 30 days of Xbox Game Pass for PC with purchase, active subscription required, continues until cancelled, game catalog varies over time. Requires Windows 10 11. USB 3.0, 3.1, Gen 1 and 2, 3.2, Gen 1 and 2, and or Type-C will vary depending on many factors including the processing speed of the host device, file attributes and other factors related to system configuration and your operating environment. Free Windows 11 upgrade eligible devices. Visit ASUS Windows 11 website for more information.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.